Hi. Your Spotify bot is ready. So at first you need to install Python on your PC. Then you need to install these requirements to install the and to download Python. You can just simply go to this link and download the latest version of Python for Windows. And when installing the Python, make sure to there is a checkbox that is written here. There that add python.exe to path, so make sure to check that when you are installing Python, otherwise the program will not work. So after installing that you need to copy these files to a folder of your computer and install the required modules. To install the required modules, copy this line pip installer requirements.txt and then click here in your address bar of your folder, then type here cmd and press enter. Then paste the copied line here and press enter. So it will install all the required modules, and then you need to update the Excel sheet with your song or with your track or playlist. You can add both a track and or playlist, both will work. So for a playlist it will just go through all the tracks of the playlist, and if you give it tracks, then it will totally listen the track. And also if you have set it up for like, then set it up for follow the artist, then it will also follow. So let me show you. So at first you need to keep in mind a couple of things, that logging into the Spotify is a bit critical. So it is better to log in yourself. For that, you can just create some profiles, and uh, in the profiles, you can just log in your Spotify account. So as you can see that my Spotify account is logged in this profile. So I will recommend you to, if you want that if you want to use multiple Spotify account, then you just log in your all of your accounts in different profiles, and whichever profile you want to run, just go to that at first and just close it. Okay. So if you just say that there is three profiles, and your Spotify account is logged in this profile, so you just need to open the Chrome and then go to this profile just for once and just come back, and now you just run the bot, and it will do the work. So for now my Spotify account is logged in this, so I am just going this for one, and now I am running the bot. For to run the bot, just click here and open the CMD, type CMD and open CMD again. Then you need to type here the bot's name here. So type here python main.py. You can also get this text here, python main.py. After putting that here, just press enter. So it will run the bot for you. Okay, my PC was lagging. Okay, so it will ask that do you want to follow all artists or not. So if you press 1, then you will the bot will follow the artist, and if you press 2, then it will not follow the artist. So for now I am pressing number 1, so that you can see it is following. So it will open the, so all the thing it is doing by itself. So at first it will check that you have liked the